What's up, manifesting maestros? Welcome back to the Neville Goddard, son of Abdullah channel. Today, we're diving into a topic so juicy, you'll want to put it on everything: the emotional resonance technique. And trust me, this is the secret sauce you've been missing in your manifestation game. If you've ever felt like your dreams are stuck on buffering, it's time to switch to high-speed manifestation. So grab your popcorn. Actually, scratch that. Grab your vision board, and let's get started. Before we jump in, only 2% of our viewers have hit that notification bell. You don't want to be left behind while everyone else is manifesting their best life, right? Smash that bell so you're always in the loop. And hey, if you're ready to take things to the next level, our exclusive consultations are filling up faster than tickets to a Taylor Swift concert, so check out the link in the description. What is emotional resonance? Alright, let's break it down. What exactly is emotional resonance? Think of yourself as a human Wi-Fi router. You're constantly broadcasting signals, your emotions, to the universe. And just like your Wi-Fi, if your signal is weak or cluttered with too many tabs open, I'm looking at you, multitaskers, you're not going to get the connection you want. The emotional resonance technique is all about broadcasting a strong, clear signal of the emotions that align with what you want to manifest. Imagine you're tuning into a radio station. If you want to hear your favorite song, like, I don't know, Beyoncé's Break My Soul, you need to tune in to the right frequency. The same goes for your desires. Tune into the emotions that match your dreams, and watch them start to materialize. Neville Goddard always said, feeling is the secret, and no, he wasn't just quoting The Secret. He meant that the emotions you resonate with are the key to unlocking your manifestations. The universe doesn't respond to what you want, it responds to how you feel. So, if you're vibing with scarcity, doubt, or fear, guess what? That's what you're tuning into. But if you're vibing with abundance, love, and gratitude, get ready for the good stuff to start pouring in. The science behind emotional resonance. Okay, let's get a little nerdy for a sec, because we love a good science moment. Your emotions aren't just random mood swings. They're powerful electromagnetic signals that literally shape your reality. Joe Dispenza, the modern-day Doctor Strange of neuroscience, tells us that our emotions create a magnetic field that interacts with the quantum field, the place where all possibilities exist. Think of your emotions as the Wi-Fi password to the universe. If you're putting out love, joy, and gratitude, you're connecting to the VIP server where all your dreams are stored. But if you're stuck on fear, doubt, and resentment, you're basically using dial-up in a fiber optic world. And no one has time for that. Here's where it gets even cooler. Your brain doesn't know the difference between what's real and what's vividly imagined. So, when you resonate with the emotions of your desired reality, your brain and body start acting as if it's already happened. You're literally rewriting your personal reality, one emotion at a time. It's like you're the editor of your own blockbuster movie, and you get to decide how the story ends. How to activate emotional resonance? So, how do you actually activate this emotional resonance superpower? It's simpler than you think, and no, it doesn't involve any Harry Potter spells, although, if you want to whip out your wand, go for it. Step 1. Identify the emotions that align with your desires. Let's say you're manifesting a new car. How does driving that car make you feel? Freedom? Excitement? Pride? Get specific. Write these emotions down, and keep them front and center. Step 2. Find ways to feel those emotions right now. Music is a game changer here. Create a playlist that makes you feel like you're already living your dream life. Need a confidence boost? Blast some Lizzo. Want to feel unstoppable? Cue up some Drake or Kendrick Lamar, since they not like us. Music isn't just background noise. It's a tool for tuning into the right frequency. Step 3. Visualize your desired reality while fully immersed in those emotions. Close your eyes and see yourself living that dream. Driving that car, signing that big deal, finding that perfect relationship. But don't just see it, feel it. Feel the excitement, the joy, the gratitude as if it's happening right now. This is where the magic happens. folks. Amplifying emotional resonance now, because we love to keep things fun and relatable. Let's talk about some hacks to amplify your emotional resonance. Ever notice how watching a superhero movie leaves you feeling like you can conquer the world? That's because those stories resonate with powerful emotions: courage, triumph, hope. Use this to your advantage. Watch movies, TV shows, or even YouTube clips that make you feel unstoppable. Let those emotions wash over you, and then channel them into your manifestations. You're not just binge watching. You're training your emotional muscle. Another hack? Use your favorite characters as avatars for your desires. Want to manifest success? Channel your inner Tony Stark. Need to break through some barriers? Go full 11 from Stranger Things. When you identify with these characters, you're aligning yourself with their strengths, and guess what? Your subconscious starts to believe you've got those same superpowers. Overcoming emotional blocks. Alright, let's address the elephant in the room. Sometimes, we've got emotional blocks that just won't budge. It's like trying to stream Netflix with a bad Wi-Fi signal, frustrating as hell. But don't worry, we're going to tackle this in a way that's as fun as it is effective. Step 1. Laugh it off. Seriously, laughter is a high-vibe emotion that instantly raises your frequency. So, when you catch yourself feeling stuck, do something that makes you laugh. Watch a comedy special, Matt Rife, anyone? Or look up some hilarious TikToks. Not only will you feel better, but you'll also be loosening the grip of those pesky blocks. Step 2. Use humor to diffuse fear and doubt. Let's say you're worried about money. Imagine your doubts as ridiculous cartoon characters, like that little money monster from Monsters, Inc. Now, picture yourself squashing them with your newfound abundance. It sounds silly, but it works. By turning your fears into something laughable, you're taking away their power. Step 3. Dance it out. When you move your body, you're shaking off that negative energy and making room for the good stuff. So, when you're feeling blocked, put on your favorite song and dance like no one's watching. Not only will you feel amazing, but you'll also be raising your emotional vibration, and that's where the magic happens. How to use emotional resonance every day. So, how do you make emotional resonance a part of your daily routine? It's easier than you think. Start by setting aside a few minutes each morning and evening to tap into your resonant emotions. This could be during your morning coffee, while commuting, or right before bed. Throughout the day, whenever you catch yourself slipping into negative emotions, take a quick break. Put on your favorite song, watch a funny video, or simply close your eyes and visualize your desired reality. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes, and soon, you'll be resonating with your dreams 24/7. Elevate your manifesting game, and there you have it. The emotional resonance technique, your secret weapon for manifesting anything you desire. If this video has sparked something in you, don't stop here. Dive deeper with our exclusive consultations. Slots are filling up faster than a BTS concert, so don't wait. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and join our community of manifestors. Together, we're going to change lives, starting with yours. Remember, you have the power to create your reality. Let's make it extraordinary, one resonant emotion at a time. If you made it through the entire video, comment sauce so we can give you a shout out for being a real one. Until next time, keep manifesting and sharing your light with the world.